Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix error 0xc00000f. So how we can fix it? First of all, you need to turn off your computer and just open restoration menu. So how you can open restoration menu? You can also choose it from here, from this menu. Just clicking on start and just click on power when you click on shift, and now you just choose update and restart, and just with shift click on update and restart. So it means that you will get into restoration menu after your computer will be restored. And also, if you can't log in into Windows and you can't choose this menu, you just need to take your disk with operation system and just open from installation. Choose not installation but restoration. There will be recover system, so you choose recover, and from there you can get into this recover menu. So now just wait. After we will continue after all updates will be installed on my computer, and I will tell you what we do next. So this is our restoration menu. So we choose here Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and from here you choose Startup Settings. Not Startup Settings, but Startup Repair. So after you choose it, you will follow some steps, and it will automatically recover your computer. But if this won't help you, so I will now I will show you what you can do next. So we just choose our user, enter here your username. So just check if your keyboard layer is right and correct, and after you check this, just write your password. And now it will automatically start to diagnose your computer and to detect, to checking all files and detect some problems with your computer. So just wait some time after it will check and load your system. So after we try to automatically recover our computer, if it doesn't help you, so just try again to enter to recovery mode and just fix it manually. So we just click on power off and just choose update and restart, and also click shift. Don't forget to click shift when you click to update and restart or restart, because I also have new updates. That's why I have update and restart, and you can also have only restart button, so it doesn't matter, you know. So now we just try to check this error manually, try to fix it by ourselves. So here we choose Troubleshoot second, Advanced Options, and choose here Command Prompt. So now we need to enter, choose our user and just sign into system with our user. So here just choose your username, and now you need to enter your password. Just check if keyboard layer is right, because you know sometimes you can enter password several times and don't understand why it doesn't correct. So now we see our command line. We need to enter some commands, so just write like I write it: bootrack fix mbr, and just click enter. Second command, we need to enter boot rack / fix boot, and just click enter. And third we need to write is bcd export c bcd backup. So I will try again, because I make a mistake here. Oh, I need to change keyboard. So now I enter So after you write this, you need to write this one: boot rack and rebuild. So after you write it, just click enter, and after all it, just click exit and click continue. Try to upload your system. So I hope you will fix your error with it. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.